Hey everyone, got another lock clamped up in the vise for you today. And this is going to be a good one. This is a Mauer SKG Dimple lock. This was sent to me by Keyz. There's our bitting on the key. Come on, focus up. There we go. So, pretty decent bitting. I got some high ones back here, right behind a low one. But that doesn't affect us as much when picking dimple locks. But it is a pretty decent bitting when it comes to, you know, trying to rake it or bump it or whatever. So let's go ahead and go with the top of the keyway tensioner. Let's go ahead and, well, let's tension this counterclockwise. So I'm just going to rest my fingers up here. Kind of a medium tension, medium to heavy, I guess. And I'm using my southward pick. Gonna click off a 3. Click from 4, click from 5, going back. I think I just overlifted a pin. Yeah, I did. Okay, got that one there. Pin 2. I think I overset something again, so let's back off again. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Coming back to the front. Pin 3. Yep, definitely think I overlifted something again. Pretty good lock for this overlifting stuff, by the way. Okay, let's bring it forward without trying to overlift stuff. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. Okay. More oversetting. More oversetting. And more oversetting. Alright, so completely reset. Yep, I'm just oversetting the holy bejesus out of this lock, guys. Let's go clockwise. 3. Nothing out of the back. Pin 1. And that's an overlift. Yeah, that's not feeling too good. I'm going to lighten the tension just a smidge. Okay. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Okay, trying to figure out what's going to happen here. On the 1, little click out of 2. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Open off of 1. Didn't get any false sets out of it, so maybe no spools. So, but pretty decent tolerances considering all the oversets. Alright, so standard bendy clip on the back. So I'll need my clip removal pliers. And there we go. Just bend it just enough so you can lift it off. I'm going to turn that there. That looks pretty good. And we'll just follow it. Okay, so we do see 6 pins in here. And all standard key pins and no counter milling or anything. Okay, the standard key pins were definitely expected. There's a standard. A spool in 2. Did not even feel it. I must have picked it before it needed. Same way with 3. Standard in 4. Standard in 5. And a standard in 6. Alright, and all the springs are the same. So let's go ahead and look at these pins that's in this Mauer SKG. And you can see all standard key pins, and up above you got 2 spools, and the spools are different lengths. Let me hold them side by side here, you can tell. So there is definitely a good attempt at balancing the pin stack by Mauer on this lock. Because, yep, none of the drivers are exactly the same length, so that's actually a really good thing. Alright, Bobby Keyz, thank you for sending me this lock. I really appreciate it. It was an awesome lock. It was a fun little lock to pick. And everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.